Teresa's with us in Midland, Texas. Hi, Teresa. How are you?
I'm doing great. Glad to talk to you, Dave.
You too. What's up?
I was going to find out, we're doing the baby steps, and we're on baby step 2, and it seems like when you start paying off the smallest debt, everyone starts coming out of the woodwork. So what I need to find out is
Everyone's coming out of the woodwork. What are you talking about? You got old bad debt?
Yes, and we're paying off our debt, the smallest to the largest, and I have received... I'm being sued by a company. They've retained an attorney, and I do know I owe the debt, but they're sixth on the line, so they won't get paid until we get down to them. But the amount is $2,969.94, and I want to know they've given me the attorney's number, and I have 14 days to respond. I can either go to court or I can respond to the attorney and settle the debt. So my question is, how much of what kind of payoff should I offer?
Okay. Is there a court date on this document?
No, it just says that it's 14 days from the time I was summoned, and I received the papers on Tuesday.
You were summoned like the sheriff's department?
Yes, there was a court officer who brought me the papers.
Oh, okay. All right. Do you have any money saved?
We have the $1,000, and we have $700 cash.
Okay. Then you could offer them $1,700, right?
We could, yes.
Okay. Yeah, I'd probably call an offer. If you can settle $2,900 for $1,700, I would get it out of order in the baby steps for me, and it gets rid of a court situation for you.
Okay. And
obviously, you need to get it in writing before you give them money, and under no circumstances do you give them electronic access to your checking account.
Okay, no. Do you think there would be any way that they would go any lower than that, or?
Well, what I would do is ask them for an offer. I wouldn't make an offer. I would just call up and go, I don't have $2,900. What's the very best y'all can do? And whatever they say, listen to me carefully. Whatever number they give you, I don't care if it's $500, okay? Don't jump on it. Whatever number they give you, go, can you do any more?
Okay.
And just see what they say. It doesn't cost a thing to try it, right? And let's just see what they do, because my guess is the original debt was a lot lower than that, and they've added a bunch of fees in here.
Yes, because I do remember, if I'm not mistaken, the company that it is coming from. The last time I remember, the debt was $900 and a few dollars.
Yeah, and they've got it all jacked all the way up to $3,000. So yeah. I'm going to try to settle this for $700-800 then.
Okay.
Something like that, and I don't want to pay more than the original debt for sure. So they've absolutely jacked you with these fees then.
Okay. So when he does make that offer, do I tell him before I send him the money that they need to send me a letter agreeing to that?
Or an email. An email would be fine.
Okay, an email would be fine.
Yeah, just as long as you've got proof that you had in writing, that you had something from, and you keep a hard copy of that email with a copy of the cashier's check stapled to it, and you send them a cashier's check overnight mail, but no electronic access to your checking account.
Okay, no, we don't do that anymore.
They'll clean you out. Yeah, you don't want to do it. And so this is probably a collections company that has a law firm wrapped into it. Okay, so you're not dealing with Matlock here. Okay, you see what I'm saying? So this is a collections agency that has a lot of people sitting around in cubicles with headsets on, calling and bothering people all day, and they have one lawyer in the mix in the back corner. Okay, this is not a law firm that's big and scary. This is barnyard law. You follow me?
Okay.
So don't be intimidated by the fact that it came from a lawyer.
Okay, because they give the address up in Carrollton.
Yeah. And in Texas, they cannot garnish your wages.
Okay.
So they're not going to get anything out of you if they play hardball. So they would like to take $1,000 here. It'd be a really good deal for you and a really good deal for them. And that's how you work this. But no matter what they say, just go, wow, can you do any better? And see what you come up with. And just work it down. Get it in writing, and then send a cashier's check stapled to the email, and you keep a copy of the cashier's check stapled to a hard copy of the email in a file for the rest of your life anytime you settle a debt, because it will come back up. This is the Dave Ramsey Show. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button to get the latest content and check out these other great clips from the show.